This is tutorial number 104, and it covers how to use the construction line sketch feature within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, open up a new part file, just click File, click New, click Part, click OK. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the construction line feature, and what that does is from a sketch that you select, it's going to create construction lines from it. And what a construction line does in a sketch is you're able to make references off of it to constrain the other remaining sketches that aren't construction lines, and then when you go to extrude or create a feature from it, the construction lines are kind of like hidden, but they're still constraining the original sketch. So to show you an example, we'll just start off, click Sketch, click Rectangle, click the front plane, and I'm just going to create a square, and then when I go to create an extrude from it, click OK, I get my plate. It extrudes out, normal sketch. Now if I delete this, and if I go into this sketch, click Edit Sketch, and say I create a construction line from it, so click Tools, click Sketch Tools, click Construction Geometry. Now I can create construction geometries all the way around. Do it again, have another construction geometry. Just do it all the way around. So highlight it and then do your construction geometry. And now the whole square is now just a construction geometry, so just references, and it's not going to be able to create a feature from it. So if you click OK, click Extrude, and you click the line to extrude, you get nothing, just because it's all like references and construction lines. It's not actually there. And if you click OK, you're going to get an error. There's nothing that it's really extruding from, and that's what the construction line does. It's there to dimension off of and to make references, but you can't actually extrude from it. So click X, and let's go back into the sketch, and let's make a rectangle outside of it. So let's say that we wanted to constrain it. So off of this line to this line, make it 20, and let's just do it all the way around. Just make it 20 all the way around. So now we have our square. It's constrained using the construction line that we began with. Now if we go to extrude, click OK, click extrude, all that comes through is just the original, is the sketch that's not the construction line. So it's like the original one. There's nothing altered to it. You can still see the construction geometry in the background, and it's still there. It's just helping to constrain the square that we have. So if we click OK, it's going to extrude out and it's going to make that square. Now let's delete this, and if we edit the sketch again and say that we had a normal square in the middle there, if we click OK and click extrude, what we're going to get is a cutout like that. Now with just using the construction geometry, you're not going to get that cutout. So like I said before, the construction geometry is there, but it's not really there when you go to make a feature. It's just helping to constrain your other sketches. So that's pretty much the gist of what the construction geometry and the references will do for you, and that's why you would apply one into any sketch that you'd have. You'd apply one in there just so you can make references and other dimensions driving off of that one sketch, but when you go and create your feature, the construction geometry hides itself. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use construction geometry within SOLIDWORKS.